The marine iguana forages for algae and seaweeds in the shallow depths of the ocean around the Galapagos Islands. After feeding on algae and seaweed, they climb back ashore. Because they take in large amounts of seawater while feeding, they have developed salt glands that help excrete the salt and deposit it in their nostrils for elimination. With frequent snorting and sneezing, the iguanas expel the salt into the air in the form of small crystals. Much of their day is spent basking in the sun, as they must keep their tissues warm if they are to survive in the icy cold waters of the Galapagos. When the sun starts to set, they head into burrows underneath the rocks to conserve body heat until the sun rises again. They also lay their eggs in caves and holes dug in the volcanic soil.